What's going on, guys? Here we are, back at it, at an undisclosed location. Interesting. Can't tell you where we're digging because I've been sworn to secrecy. So, you know, gentleman doesn't kiss and tell. But anyway, we're out here, Gold Miner Challenge, round 2. You've got the Northeast Prospector. We're going to have the
Rookie Miner.
The Rookie Miner. We're going to go back at it, head to head. The Rookie Miner took the chocolates in the first challenge, so I'll put the link for it up above it here. He's pretty confident he's going to bring home the goods again. We're going to go and get stuck into the creek. We'll see how we go. Righto, we've got the high banker set up, we're all ready to rock. We've got the Rookie Miner here raring to go for his 2-hour challenge. So we're going to start the clock and get stuck into it. See you then. Well, what's going on here? We just stopped briefly to clean that top 6-inch mat. Found that lovely piece of gold there. I'll put a small picture up down the bottom so we can have a squiz of that. But Rookie Miner, how do you think you're travelling so far in your half of the Gold Miner Challenge? Good. Happy with how things are travelling? Yeah. Unreal. All right, we're gonna get back into it. We've just started up for another quick run. See you soon. Still chewing away in sleuths. About 10 minutes left on the clock. So we're going to get stuck in, rip right into this pay pile, and hopefully we can come away with a good weight for Bentley in the Gold Miner Challenge number 2. Righto guys, there you have it. That concludes the 2-hour run for Bentley's half of the Gold Miner Challenge number 2. We're going to head off home soon, get back into the car, and we'll bring you back online with a bit of a clean up. See you next time. Well, we're back at home. This is Bentley's Concentrates. Yeah, I'm going to save you guys a little bit of time, and thanks to the magic of television, I'm going to click some fingers and this will all be done. See you back here shortly. Well, an hour and a half later. That is absolutely ridiculous for classifying our concentrates. But anyway, we're all done. So what we're going to do is we'll get you back in tomorrow for the Blue Bowl. We'll work out where we're at and see what we weigh up. See you soon. Oh yeah guys, we've got the Blue Bowl set up, ready to rock, all nice and happy. We've got the concentrates here ready to rock, so what we're going to do is we're going to put some of this through the Blue Bowl and see how we went.